Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Fortnite. Whenever you play the game, you got the error matchmaking error 3. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you are using any kind of VPN, so make sure you disable it. After disabling the VPN, head over to settings menu, click on the option network and internet, and over here, if we are using a Wi-Fi connection, go ahead and turn it off. As soon as you turn off the Wi-Fi connection, you will find the option of mobile hotspot. Connect your mobile with your system and use this mobile hotspot connection to play the Fortnite game. And once the game is started, you can reconnect with your Wi-Fi, which will help you fix out the issue of Fortnite matchmaking error 3. If this failed to work out, in next step, go ahead and do a hard reset of your router. To do so, go ahead, turn off your router, unplug all the power supply attached to your router, wait for at least 5 to 6 minutes, and after that, replug all the power supply, turn on your router, and connect with your system to fix out the issue of Fortnite matchmaking error 3. If this also failed, in next step, right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Right click on your Wi-Fi connection and choose option properties. First of all, uncheck the option TCP/IP v6. Now click on the option TCP/IP v4 and hit the properties option. Here we are going to use the Google DNS. So select the second option and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate type in 8.8.4.4. Once it is done, hit the OK button. Now close it. Now go ahead, make sure to restart your PC and relaunch the Fortnite game to fix out the matchmaking error 3 while playing the game. If this also failed, let's proceed with the next step. Go ahead, launch the Epic Launcher, select your game and launch it. Now click on this profile icon and go ahead and select the option settings over here. Here we are going to do few changes. First of all, click on this gear icon and under the matchmaking region, whatever the region you have selected, just select the option auto. If you have already selected the auto, then choose any other like NA East or NA Central. Once it is chosen, hit apply option to save the changes. Now go back, click on the option local, click on the option jam tracks and simply select any other track from the current one. Once selected, come back again, and thirdly is again in the settings menu, settings, here click on your user icon, scroll down and under the gameplay privacy you will find the option of crossplay. Go ahead and turn off the crossplay option and then save the changes and hit back. And lastly is now in this home screen, select any game. If the option of tutorial is available right over here, make sure you do not skip the tutorial. Complete, watch the tutorial and then hit the play option, and this will completely fix out the issue of Fortnite matchmaking error 3. Now if all the method fails, the last hope you have is to open up your Windows security. In this left pane, click on the option firewall and network protection. Click on the option advanced settings. Now in the firewall, click on inbound rules and click on the option new rule. From here, select the option port over here and click on next button. Here select TCP and specific port, and in the space provided type in these three options which I will provide you in the description of this video. Just copy and paste and then hit the next button to continue. Here select allow the collection. Now these three options must be check marked and then next. Give it any name like Fortnite server and hit the finish option. Once it is done, go ahead, close it, restart your PC, and this will completely fix out the issue of Fortnite matchmaking error 3. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.